homies, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legend. Today we are here in Perivale in West London, in the London Borough of Ealing. So without further ado, let's take off. So we were supposed to be flying our drone. It's supposed to be a sunny day, and it is kind of a sunny day, but although it's kind of a sunny day, like when I left, the weather said it was cloudy, but even though it was cloudy, it was somehow sunny. Like the clouds are really thin. So I thought, you know what, it's another good day to fly a drone flight because the wind's really low. But somehow I think that those thin clouds got a bit thicker. So it's like there's supposed to be a big band of clouds today, but now literally now it's just gotten thicker. So now it's not that sunny anymore. So yeah, let's continue flying. So where's the sun right now? The sun's right here. The cloud just came right here, and I don't know where it's moving right now. I don't know if it's moving away from that or if it's moving towards the rest of the clouds. I'm not sure, but I think hopefully it's moving more this way. It's supposed to be thin clouds, but it is what it is. So let's just explore this area. It's like a nice little open area, green area, Perivale. So we're going to go towards this way, and we're going to see what's down here. So the sun's coming out a bit more now. So actually the train's coming. Let's follow the train out towards west. So it's going towards the next station, which is Greenford. I'm out flying Greenford in my next drone flight, which will probably be after I land. I'll probably just go one more stop to Greenford, and the sun's coming out now, so that's a good thing. Yeah, the sun's coming back out. Like as I arrived, it literally got cloudy, and I was worried. And there's another train coming eastbound. You know, let's just keep going towards that way, and let's see what's going on in this area. So there is a Royal Mail right here, as you can see. So that's towards Greenford, that area. Can we go towards Greenford station from here? I think we can. And we've got some construction happening in this area, as you can see. There's cranes happening here. You can see a crane in this area. I wonder what's happening here. Look at that. It's actually not that sunny. Actually, it's sunny now. Look at that. I wonder what's happening down here. Oh, you know what? I'm kind of interested. I want to see how deep that hole is. So there's a hole being dug down. I want to see how deep it is. You can kind of see how deep it is from here. Anyway, you know what? Let's come back now. So you can see a lot of Royal Mail trucks. I want to follow a train back to this area. I don't think there's any train coming here. Okay, let's see. Is the train coming back here? Let's see. Nope. We'll just come back. Get a nice shot of the area down here. Sunny Greenford. I mean, it's not that sunny anymore, but sun's coming back out now. We're actually between Greenford and Perivale right now, our drone. Just keep coming back now. Yeah, sun's come out now, which is good. Let's see what's on this side. Let's see what's down here. See, if you see that area, that's towards Unported, which I did the drone flight there last year. So it's not too far from this area. See, the sun's coming back out now, which is good. So yeah, let's go down towards here. It's an industrial area, as you can see. And you can see quite a lot of cars there. It's like a car park or car dealership. Let's see what's going on down there. Let's go towards that area. So it's not going to be a sunny day like this for quite a while because it says it's going to be windy as well. So the weather's not going to be as good. So that's why I decided to come today, even though there's a band of cloud that's coming here. So look at the way the car's parked, really unique. They all park like that. Really sick. Look at that, insane. I want to get a nice, you can even see motorbikes on the right. Look at that, sick shot. Really interesting how they're all parked up like that. Then we've got the industrial area down here. We've got a bus garage right here. Let's explore this area down here. There's a train right here. Let's follow the train towards eastbound. Let's go in sports mode and we're going to follow the train. We're going to look at that. That is so sick. We're keeping up. We're actually keeping up with the speed of the train, which is actually insane. Unreal. That is sick. The train's starting to move a bit faster now. Gonna see if we can actually keep up with the speed of the train. I won't go that far, we'll just stay in this area. So that area is the A40, as you can see. Apparently that road has been closed from central London, which I saw on the news or online. This is closed from Marylebone to an area near central. Actually, I actually done a drone flight in that area where it was closed in Ladbroke Grove. So as you can see, there's a Tesco right here. Let's get a shot of this Tesco. So over here we got the road. Look at that, nice shot. Let's get a shot of this area down there. What should we get a shot of now? Should we get a shot of this area down there? Look at that. Even a helicopter in the sky, as you can see, quite high up. So let's just go towards this area. Let's go towards the A40 right here. Look at that, sick shot. So over here we've got the Hoover building right here. Same shot. And we've got a row noir up down here as well. So let's just keep going towards the road. So yeah, it's quite amazing that this drone flight is completely solar powered. So we're flying from the power of solar. So I usually charge it from my wall charger, but for my last few drone flights I decided, because it's been sunny, I just put my drone battery, I charged it with my solar panel in my garden, portable solar panel. Actually, on a summer's day I can actually bring the solar panel with me and charge my other battery while I'm flying this drone, because it charges quite fast. It's a 30-watt charger, which the video might be on my channel already, depending when you're watching this. So as you can see, this is the building down here, Vanguard. We're actually between Ealing and the London Borough of Brent, which is not far from here. Actually no, I think most of this area is in Ealing, but past that roundabout it's Borough of Brent, which is where Alperton is. Let's get a top-down shot of this area with the carriageway. Sick shot. See, it's like a thin band of clouds. That's kind of like making drone flight not the best, but it's decent enough. Look at that, we're going the same speed as cars, which is sick. That's some sick shot. Going the same speed. What we need to do now, we need to go west. No, we need to go, yeah, we need to go west. I mean, where I went before was northwest, but this area is just going to be a bit southwest. So look at that, nice little shot. Look at that shot, amazing. And what I'm going to do now in a bit, I'm going to land a drone, and I'm going to do my next drone flight, which will be my next video, which is, I'll see where I go. I'll probably go Greenford and see what I can fly down there. I hope the sun stays here, because the sun might be getting thicker. I mean, the clouds might be getting thicker. I think that's exactly what's happening. If I check the Met Office map, it's actually coming south, the clouds. Look at that sick shot. We even got a complete solar panel building right here. It's a petrol station. I think it's like a EV charger. So it charges your car via solar, which is actually kind of sick. I think though. Or maybe it's just to power the petrol station. But it's good, more solar panels are being seen in London. And I even charge my drone with one. I just charge it with a little USB solar panel, USB-C solar panel charger. So this drone flight is completely solar powered. What would be cool if I could completely charge my action camera, my mic, and my phone that I'm flying with solar, then this whole video will be solar powered. But then I'm editing my video with a PC that's not solar powered, so that's not going to be possible unless I edit with a laptop that I can charge with that solar, because that can actually charge laptops, believe it or not. because it's a USB-C system. Any laptop that can charge with USB-C, I could charge it with that solar panel. But I probably don't have a laptop powerful enough to edit my drone flights. I only got a desktop PC that's powerful enough, unless I edit on my phone. That's completely solar powered. Then it'll be a completely solar powered YouTube channel. I don't know if YouTube powers their servers with solar, but one thing for sure, some of our electricity in this country is solar powered anyway, even if I'm using it from the grid. So whether I'm off grid or not, I'm kind of getting solar powered. But we mostly use wind power in the country anyway. So when it's windy, even this train right now might be a bit solar powered, which is actually unreal. So this Central Line train, it was actually made in a time where it was made in 1992, where it's not solar powered. It's probably gas powered or coal powered from the power stations. But now, because our electricity is more renewable, that train, in a way, is somehow solar powered and also wind powered as well. So anyway, I'm gonna land my drone now. I'm gonna catch it from the sky, and then we're just gonna, hopefully the sun stays out a bit. You can see the thin band of clouds. I hope it stays out here while I use my next battery. Got my mini free battery. So, that was my amazing drone flight here in Perivale, in the London Borough of Ealing. So, I hope you enjoyed this little drone flight of mine. It was actually quite a decent drone flight. So yeah, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.